Da, 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 da.
Mad Scientist Experiment.
Today we're going to experiment with various types of liquids. What would they do if we were to mix them together?
Explode.
Will they explode? Will they rise up to the top? Or will they just cause stinky odors?
Explode.
Alright, the liquids that we have today, I want you to tell us what you have, Lily. What is this liquid?
This is purple juice.
What is this?
I forgot.
Baking soda.
Yes.
What is this? Salt.
Salt.
What is this?
Just water.
Vinegar.
Vinegar.
And what is this? Liquid
Liquid.
soap.
Liquid soap.
Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to see what happens when you mix in the order that we have. We're going to mix the liquid for the
Purple juice.
purple juice. Let's try on our test tube. Just put a little bit of purple juice in there.
Okay, should I watch?
Yeah,
TV?
just a little bit. Okay, good.
It went
All right.
right into there.
Set it to the side. We're
Okay.
finished with that. And then put baking soda, just a little bit of baking soda. Okay?
It's not coming
Good.
out.
That's fine. Let me help you. That's good. Yeah, it's not. It's in there. Okay. I want you.
She didn't.
Did you put it in?
Because the thing is wet. You didn't dry it.
Okay. Yeah, it's in there. All right.
It's
There-
bubbling.
It's starting to bubble. Why is that?
Going up.
Because water and baking soda will react with each other. All right, let us put salt. Just a little bit of salt. Okay, that's good. Little bit of salt. I'm gonna put that to the side. Now add vinegar and just a little bit of vinegar and see what happens. Will it react some more? No, the salt is stopping the vinegar from going down. You see? Or you have something that's clogging it up. Alright, let's see what... Oh yeah, it's clogging it up right there. Whoa, there it is.
Wow.
So,
What an
we
explosion.
know that the salt reacts with vinegar as well, right?
Uh-huh.
Alright, let's see what happens when we add the last ingredient, which is just a little bit of liquid soap. Just a little bit. Look what happens to the liquid soap.
Nothing.
Yeah, it doesn't want to mix with the others. It doesn't play very well with the others. So,
Okay.
let us do this. We're going to do another experiment in the reverse order. So, we're going to start with the liquid soap. Put that in. Just a little bit. Put it on the bottom. Okay, put that to this side now, because we're finished with that. Alright, we're going to do the salt or vinegar?
Salt.
Oh, salt. Put the salt.
Okay.
Okay, put that aside. And we're going to add vinegar to it this time.
This.
Yeah,
It looks like water.
just a little bit. Oh, you see what is happening? Put it down. You see what is happening? The liquid soap got pushed down to the bottom because it doesn't want to mix with the
Other.
vinegar. It doesn't want to mix. So what we're going to do, we're going to try to mix it by adding a baking soda. We're going to try to see if they will play with each other. Okay, right there. No, the baking soda is staying on top. You see, it doesn't want to play very well with the liquid soap. Now let's add the food coloring. Let's
What are
add
we using a stethoscope for?
just for props.
What's props?
Alright, just add the color purple and see what happens.
Oh!
Oh! It's starting to bubble to the top.
Uh-oh! It's gonna
It's gonna explode. Look out. No, it's gonna settle down. You know why it wants to? Because it doesn't allow it to go to the bottom. Let's see what happens when we pull it up and pull it right there. You see, it stays on the top. So everybody are not playing with each other very well. See, they're separating.
Look.
So base
Papa,
and
look.
acid does not mix very well.
Look, it's growing with that dropping thing.
Okay, all right. Let's see what happened if, since you added that liquid, add a little bit more liquid. Okay? Here, add a little bit more liquid like that.
It's purple.
Just a little bit. Whoa, watch out. Watch out, you gotta pay attention. Okay? All right, put it down. Now add this, no, put it right there. Add the liquid soap. Just a little bit of it. Okay? All right? It should stay on top. Now, I want you to add the vinegar to it. Just a little bit of vinegar and see what happens. It should cause an explosion. That's it. Look, look. It's causing some kind of bubble, right?
The bubble. It was
All right.
growing.
Now
to-
add the salt.
Salt. Chip. We'll do that. Just a little bit.
Okay, that's it. That's it. Add the salt. No, the salt doesn't do anything to it. We just cause it to fizz up. All right. So what have we learned?
I don't know.
We have learned that liquid soap does not play very well with vinegar. But let's see if that is really true. So that's what we learned, that liquid soap makes everybody not want to play very well.
Let's see.
Let's see what happens if we mix just the liquid soap. Let's
That's
watch
what I was gonna say.
this. Okay. Go ahead and tell the camera. Let's see what happens. Go ahead.
I need the tube.
Alright, let's see what happens when you mix just the vinegar and the liquid soap.
Yes.
Let's do it on this tube. Okay? Add the
We're
vinegar
doing
first.
most good experiment.
Okay,
I just
got
got
it.
a little bit.
Alright, put that to the side. Now add the liquid soap. Add a little bit more. Add a little bit more because you
Okay.
can't hardly see it. Alright. Are they separating? Are they playing very well with each other? Look, the vinegar stays on the bottom and the liquid soap stays on the top.
It's not playing. It's
No, they're not mixing very well. Let's see what happens when you add baking soda to it.
Where's
Where's
the
the
baking
baking
soda?
soda? Let's see what happens.
The baking soda doesn't come out really well.
Are they going to mix? Nope.
Let's see
They're not mixing.
Mix.
The vinegar is on the bottom, the liquid soap is in the middle, and the baking soda on top. Now let's add salt. Let's see if salt will make everybody mix very well.
That's a good idea.
Add a little bit more
Okay.
salt. Okay. Alright, now add another.
Hey, look up here. There's blue.
Yeah, it's starting to fit. Now add a little bit more of vinegar.
Okay. I just love doing this.
Whoa! Look at there. Look at what happened.
It's gonna explode.
It's exploding.
Take cover.
It's not wanting to settle because see the liquid soap? So what the liquid soap, we learned the liquid soap will always separate from all the other liquid. It will not blend in with the other liquid.
Yeah.
Alright. Last experiment on the last tube here. Let me get this out. Whoa. Okay. Whoa.
Whoopsie doopsie.
Alright, let's see this last experiment. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's still bubbling. Let's see what happens when you mix a liquid soap with baking soda.
Where's those?
Right there.
These?
Yeah. That's the liquid soap and that's the baking soda. This is the last experiment. Let's see if the liquid soap will play very well with the baking soda, since it won't play with any other. Okay? Can you see it on the bottom?
No.
Yeah, you can see it right there. Alright, add the rest of the baking soda.
This?
Yep. Well, add a little bit more.
Yeah.
Add the whole thing. Just put the whole thing in there. Because there's not much. Let me see.
It's not, the baking soda doesn't come out real well. Whatever it's called.
What happens, oh, you gotta push it down. So the baking soda wants to stick to the funnel. Wood.
This is
It's too
totally
thick.
messy.
It's too thick, that's why. Alright. Here's the way for it.
Hey, I'm supposed to do that.
Okay. It doesn't want to go down the. Okay, I'll tell you what.
Bye bye. Thanks for watching.